Hello guys, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 1st. Today we are going to start our new series which is WordPress from scratch, step by step. So you can easily understand the basic concepts and core concepts of WordPress. First of all, WordPress was released in 2003 and more than 17 million websites created in WordPress. WordPress is a most popular blogging tool, or you can see most popular blogging platform, and it's also a content management system. So if you are not familiar with content management system, so don't worry. CMS or content management system means you can easily create or you can easily design your professionally websites without having some knowledge of HTML or jQuery, JavaScript like this PHP or anything related with ID field. So why you choose WordPress? So first of all, it's totally free because it's a open source project. Thousands of users or thousands of programmers improving the WordPress platform, and the main concepts of WordPress. So why you choose WordPress? Because the thousands of plugins available at the WordPress, and also thousands of themes, widgets, and you can create easily and you can create professionally website using WordPress. So we are going to cover each and every thing or each and every sections from the WordPress. So we start from the offline and online mode, so you can easily differentiate the what is offline and what is online mode, and you will learn how can you use and how can you download the themes, widgets and plugins, and how can you use your user system or user management system. And we are going to cover some special kind of topics like how can you create your e-commerce website, and how can you embed PayPal payment gateway inside your e-commerce website. And last thing, we are going to cover a special type of plugin, page builder plugin, so you can easily create your website using dragging drop and using your single click. Okay, so which is the Visual Composer. It's a popular, so I hope you will enjoy this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses with your friends, with your colleagues. So thank you for watching.